OntarioEast Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing OntarioEast Internet Provider, and I've included links to their services and plans in the description below. OntarioEast is a provider focused on delivering reliable internet services across Ontario, especially catering to both urban and rural areas where internet connectivity can be challenging. They offer a range of plans designed to meet the needs of casual users, families, and even businesses. What sets OntarioEast apart is their focus on both fiber optic and fixed wireless internet solutions. For urban areas, they offer fast and stable fiber optic connections with speeds that can handle high-demand activities like 4K streaming, video conferencing, and gaming. Their fiber plans come with symmetrical speeds, ensuring that both your download and upload speeds are reliable, which is a key consideration for remote workers and online content creators. For more rural and remote areas, OntarioEast's fixed wireless internet provides an excellent solution. Using wireless towers to transmit the signal, they ensure good coverage in areas where traditional broadband might not reach. This is particularly beneficial for households or small businesses in less densely populated regions where other providers might not offer services. OntarioEast also boasts competitive pricing, offering different tiers to match your usage and budget. Whether you're browsing the web casually or need a high-speed connection for multiple users, there's a plan that fits. Customer service is another highlight. OntarioEast provides responsive support to help with installations, troubleshooting, and general inquiries. In conclusion, OntarioEast stands out as a flexible and reliable provider, especially for users in rural and underserved areas. Their fiber optic service ensures fast speeds for city dwellers, while their wireless plans cater to those in need of reliable internet in more remote regions. For more details and to check out their offerings, make sure to visit the links in the description.